Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to edit videos with the Wondershare UniConverter 14. If you don't have the UniConverter yet, click the link in the description below. Step 1. Go to the UniConverter and select the video editor either from the home page or from the tools menu on the left side. Step 2. Here you can choose which editing tool you'd like to use, or if you click right up here and import the video, you can also hover your mouse over the video thumbnail and choose what to do from there. If you move your cursor to the right direction, you can find other ways to edit your videos, such as adding subtitle or a new audio track to the video. Briefly, with the trim tool you can cut out unneeded parts of the video. With the crop tool, you can change the aspect ratio for different required formats. With the effects tool, you can modify the colors of your video, as well as adding preset effects. By using the watermark tool, you can make your video more unique and recognizable or protected. With the subtitle tool, you can add a subtitle file to the video. With the audio tool, you can enhance audio quality and set volume. And with the speed tool, you can make your video go slower or faster, which is a great tool to create slow-mo videos, for example. Step 3. After you're done editing your video, you can select an output format and an output folder. If you're editing multiple videos at the same time, you can merge them into one file if you select this option down here. When the UniConverter is finished exporting, you'll find the exported file in the Finished tab. Thanks for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description below to try the Wondershare UniConverter 14 for free. That's it for now, and I will see you in the next video.